Newlyweds Rashmika Mandanna and Vijay Deverakonda recently shared a series of photos from their Pradhanam and Mehendi ceremony, which took place on 25th February 2026. The pictures show many warm family moments filled with love, laughter and happiness. For the past few days, the couple has been posting photos from different wedding events. This latest set of pictures shows a different side of their celebrations, focusing on close family and intimate moments. Rashmika and Vijay got married on 26th February in a traditional Telugu ceremony, followed by a code of wedding. The wedding was held at ITC Mementos. The couple had kept their relationship private for many years before finally choosing to have a small and intimate wedding. On 10th March, both Vijay and Rashmika shared photos from their Pradhanam and Mehendi evening, mostly featuring their families. Some of the most special moments include Rashmika showing her Mehendi and a picture where she is walking hand in hand with Vijay. The photos also show both their parents and a few close friends who were invited to the celebration. In her caption, Rashmika wrote, 25th February 2026. It was the Pradhanam and Mehendi evening. It was too perfect, but it went off too fast. What a stunning piece you have created. Torani official, thank you for making it so special for us. Vijay also shared his thoughts about the evening and wrote, 25th February 2026. The Pradhanam and Mehendi evening. An evening most fun, an evening that was lived fully, an evening I wish had a 100 more hours in it. Pradhanam is a traditional Telugu engagement ceremony that usually takes place before the wedding. During this ceremony, the families of the bride and groom formally announce the marriage and give their blessings. The groom's family presents clothes, jewelry and gifts to the bride, while priests perform Vedic rituals and prayers. For Vijay and Rashmika, this ceremony marked the beginning of their wedding celebrations and the official union of their families. The couple also gave their wedding a special name, the Wedding of Virosh. The name comes from the combination of their names, Vijay and Rashmika. The two first worked together in the Telugu blockbuster Geetha Govindam. They later reunited for Dear Comrade, directed by Bharat Kamma. It was during this time that rumors about their relationship first started. After years of speculation, the two finally tied the knot on 26th February in Udaipur. The celebrations were later followed by a grand reception in Hyderabad on 4th March, attended by friends, family and members of the film industry.